Have you ever woken up exactly at 3 a.m.? Heart racing, mind unusually alert, as if your body is being deliberately switched on? The scary part is, this isn't random. It could be a sign your hormonal system is out of balance, especially cortisol, the stress hormone. And if you ignore it, it won't just ruin your sleep. It can quietly drain your energy, damage your memory, and even shorten your lifespan. But here's the shocking truth. With the right biological reset, you can stop these wake-ups for good. The problem is, 99% of people are doing it wrong. Do you feel perpetually tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do you look in the mirror and wonder why the belly fat just won't budge, despite your best efforts? Or perhaps your mind races endlessly, a constant hum of worries and to-do lists, even when your body aches for rest. Many attribute these unwelcome companions, the persistent fatigue, the stubborn weight around the middle, the relentless mental chatter, to the unavoidable march of time, to simply getting older. We sigh, we accept it, and we push through, convinced this is just our new normal. But what if I told you that this narrative, this acceptance of a diminished existence, is often a profound misunderstanding? What if the true culprit isn't your age at all, but a silent, unseen disruptor, an internal alarm clock that's gone rogue, keeping you perpetually on edge, even when you crave peace? I'm talking about cortisol, specifically high cortisol at night. Cortisol, in its essence, is not our enemy. Quite the opposite, in fact. It's our body's magnificent internal alarm clock, the vital hormone that springs us into action each morning. Imagine the sun rising. Your cortisol levels should naturally peak, giving you that surge of energy, focus, and readiness to tackle the day. It's designed to be your wake-up call, your motivator, your stress response system when truly needed. But just as the sun sets, so too should your cortisol levels gracefully decline throughout the day. As evening descends, this powerful hormone should recede into the background, paving the way for its tranquil counterpart, melatonin, to gently usher you towards restorative sleep. Melatonin is your body's lullaby, the hormone of darkness and rest, and it can only truly take effect, can only truly embrace you, when cortisol has stepped aside, when its job for the day is done. However, in our hyper-connected, always-on modern world, this delicate dance between cortisol and melatonin has been tragically disrupted. We live under a perpetual artificial sun, our evenings bathed in the harsh glow of screens and overhead lights. We eat, work, and consume information late into the night, pushing our bodies and minds far beyond their natural limits. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they are powerful signals that directly interfere with our internal clock. Every late-night scroll through social media, every episode binged under a bright lamp, every email checked, every midnight snack sends a clear, unmistakable message to your brain. It's still daytime. Stay awake. Be alert. This constant bombardment keeps your cortisol levels artificially high, long after they should have begun their nightly descent. The result? You feel wired but utterly exhausted. Your mind races even as your body aches for rest, and deep, restorative sleep becomes an elusive dream. You're caught in a vicious cycle where the very habits you've adopted to cope with modern life are precisely what robbing you of your vitality, your peace, and your energy. But here's the inspiring truth. You have the power to reclaim your natural rhythm, to recalibrate your internal alarm clock, and to invite deep, rejuvenating sleep back into your life. It doesn't require drastic overhauls, expensive treatments, or complex diets. It requires intention, awareness, and the adoption of 3 simple yet profoundly transformative habits. Let's begin with the first and perhaps most impactful step: a pillar of your personal transformation. Habit 1. Fix the light trap. Create your digital sunset. For millennia, humanity lived by the sun. As dusk fell, light dimmed, and our bodies instinctively prepared for rest. Our ancestors didn't need scientific studies to tell them that darkness meant sleep. Their bodies just knew. Today, we override this ancient wisdom with a flick of a switch and the relentless glow of screens. Blue light, emitted by our phones, tablets, computers, and even many modern LED lights, is particularly insidious. Your brain's master clock, nestled deep within, interprets blue light as a strong, undeniable signal of daytime. It's like having a miniature sun shining directly into your eyes, telling your body, "Keep that cortisol pumping. It's not time for bed." This isn't just a metaphor. It's a physiological command. To counteract this, you must consciously create a digital sunset in your home. 2 hours before you intend to sleep, commit to a radical yet incredibly soothing shift. Turn off those bright overhead lights. Dim the lamps, switch to warmer, softer bulbs if you can, or embrace the cozy, amber glow of a salt lamp or candlelight. And crucially, put away your blue light-emitting screens. That means no more scrolling through social media, no late-night emails, no binging TV shows right before bed. If you absolutely must use a screen for work or an urgent matter, activate blue light filters on your devices, or, even better, wear blue light-blocking glasses. This simple act of signaling darkness to your brain is not just a habit. It's a profound act of self-care. It sends a powerful, unambiguous message to your brain. Darkness is falling. It's time for cortisol to recede and melatonin to rise. You're not just dimming lights. You're signaling peace, inviting your body back into its natural, restorative rhythm, preparing your mind and body to gracefully transition from the hustle of the day to the tranquility of the night. Feel the change in the atmosphere of your home and in the quiet shift within you. Habit 2. Stop the late-night blood sugar roller coaster. No calories at least 3 hours before bed. Now, let's move to the second powerful habit, one that addresses another silent saboteur of your sleep and energy: your diet, particularly your late-night eating patterns. Many of us have a habit of grazing or having a substantial meal late in the evening. Perhaps it's a late dinner after a long day, a post-workout snack, or simply reaching for something sweet or savory while unwinding on the couch. While it might feel comforting in the moment, consuming calories, especially carbohydrates, close to bedtime sets off a chaotic chain reaction within your body, one that directly impacts your cortisol levels. When you eat, your blood sugar levels naturally rise. Your body then releases insulin to bring them back down. If you consume a lot of carbohydrates, think pasta, bread, sugary snacks, or even fruit, this initial blood sugar spike can be significant, followed by an equally dramatic crash. And here's where cortisol re-enters the scene, acting as your body's emergency response system. A sudden drop in blood sugar is perceived by your body as a crisis, a primal signal of potential starvation. What does your body do in an emergency? It releases cortisol. Yes, even as you attempt to sleep, your body interprets these blood sugar fluctuations as a threat, pumping out stress hormones to stabilize glucose levels. This emergency cortisol release jolts you, disrupts your deep sleep cycles, and keeps you in a state of low-grade physiological stress throughout the night. You might not even fully wake up, but your sleep quality is severely compromised, leaving you feeling unrested and groggy in the morning. To break free from this insidious cycle, make a conscious commitment. Stop consuming any calories at least 3 hours before your intended bedtime. This gives your digestive system ample time to process your last meal, allows your blood sugar to stabilize naturally, and prevents those disruptive spikes and crashes that hijack your sleep. Imagine your body resting, not laboring, your systems calming, not reacting to an internal alarm. This isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your body the peace it needs to truly recover and prepare for deep, restorative sleep. Habit 3. Master the mental escape. The brain dump. Finally, we arrive at the third essential habit, one that addresses the relentless chatter of the mind, the mental noise that keeps you from finding peace. Mastering the mental escape. The brain dump. You lie in bed, utterly exhausted, yet your mind is a whirlwind, a replay of the day's events, a looming to-do list for tomorrow, anxieties about work, family, finances. It all swirls, creating a cacophony that makes sleep impossible. Psychologists call these open loops, unfinished thoughts, unresolved issues, unwritten tasks that your brain perceives as incomplete and therefore demands attention. Your brain, in its incredible efficiency, doesn't want you to forget anything important. So, it keeps these loops open, running in the background, consuming mental energy and keeping your stress hormones, including cortisol, elevated. It's like having dozens of browser tabs open in your mind, each one draining your mental energy, even when you're trying to shut down. To truly prepare your mind for rest, you need to consciously close these loops. This is where the brain dump comes in. About an hour before bed, take out a pen and paper. Yes, good old-fashioned pen and paper, to avoid the blue light from screens. Sit down in a quiet space and simply write everything that's on your mind. Every worry, every task, every idea, every nagging thought, every item on your to-do list for tomorrow. Don't filter, don't judge, just get it all out. Transfer the mental burden from your racing mind onto the page. This act signals to your brain. It's recorded. It's safe. You don't need to keep remembering this right now. It's a profound act of mental decluttering, allowing your brain to finally switch off its vigilance mode, to release the tension, and to let cortisol levels naturally decrease, paving the way for a peaceful descent into sleep. Feel the weight lift as you externalize your thoughts, leaving your mind clear and ready for the quietude of sleep. These 3 habits, creating a digital sunset, stopping late-night eating, and mastering the brain dump, are not mere suggestions. They are powerful keys to unlocking a profound transformation within your body and mind. By consciously adopting them, you are not just trying to sleep better. You are actively changing your brain chemistry. You are resetting your fundamental biological rhythms, allowing your body to do what it was always designed to do: rest deeply, repair thoroughly, and rejuvenate completely. Imagine falling asleep faster, sleeping deeper, and waking up truly refreshed. Not just occasionally, but consistently, day after day. Imagine having sustained energy throughout the day, sharper focus, and a clearer, calmer mind that serves you, rather than overwhelms you. This isn't a pipe dream or a fleeting fantasy. This is your birthright, waiting to be reclaimed. The journey begins tonight. Take the first step. Embrace these simple yet powerful habits, and unlock the vibrant, energetic, and peaceful life that truly awaits you. Waking up at 3 a.m. isn't to just a random disturbance. It is often your body sending a clear signal that your internal rhythm is out of sync. When cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, rises at the wrong time, it disrupts deep sleep and forces your brain into alert mode. Over time, this pattern can drain your energy, weaken focus, and leave you feeling exhausted even after a full night in bed. The key isn't forcing yourself back to sleep, but resetting your biological clock, reducing late-night stress, managing light exposure, stabilizing blood sugar, and building a consistent wind-down routine. When you align your habits with your body's natural rhythm, sleep becomes effortless again. No struggle, no frustration. The deeper lesson here is that your body is always communicating. You just need to learn how to listen. Instead of ignoring the signals or masking them, address the root cause. Small daily adjustments, done consistently, can create powerful long-term transformation. Start by protecting your evening. Limit screens, calm your mind, and give your body permission to rest naturally. Now I'm curious. Have you ever experienced waking up at 3 a.m. like this? Drop a comment below and share your experience so everyone can learn from each other. And don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Vital Path to support the channel and stay tuned for more powerful insights like this.